In this video, I'll show you how you can create custom gradient backgrounds in Canva. Now this used to be very hard and you used to need a workaround, but in 2024, this can be done very easily. So here's what you need to do. So once you've got your Canva design open, you want to go ahead and click on the background, then go to background color. Now from here, you'll have all of the default solid colors. And if you scroll down even more, there are going to be some preset gradients that you can add. But what do you do if you want to add a custom one? So first you need to click on any gradient, and that's going to add that gradient to the screen. Now if you scroll up, your gradient won't be there, so just go ahead and click off it, click on the gradient, go back to the background color, and then here you'll see your gradient appear. Now from here you can go ahead and click on the gradient, and you'll notice the gradient is made up of two colors. You've got this light blue and yellow. You've also got the style here, which you can also change if you wanted to. So if we wanted to change the gradient color, we'll click on the first color. We can then change that to whatever, and same with the second color. You can also add more colors if you want, so you can have additional colored gradients that consist of more than one or two gradients. You can also add additional colors if you want to as well, so you can have gradients with more than two colors, and you can add as many as you want here. Then you've got the gradient style, so do you want the gradient to come left to right, up to down, in the corner, a circle, or so on. Customize this however you want, but that's how you can add a custom gradient to Canva.